Thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by SENSEN. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair, however, this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we are replacing a set of rear shocks on a 2003 Chevy Express 1500 two-wheel drive. This set fits the Chevy C1500 Suburban 1992-99, the Chevrolet C2500 Suburban 1992-99, the Chevy Express 1500 96 to 2013, the Chevy Tahoe from 95 to 2000, the GMC C1500 Suburban from 92 to 99, the GMC C2500 Suburban 92 to 99, the GMC Savannah 1500 96 to 2013, and the GMC Yukon from 95 to 2000. SENSEN shocks and struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. SENSEN has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide a long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. SENSEN brand is where quality meets affordability. Tools needed for this installation are a 13 and 19 mm socket and a 18 mm wrench.
With a 19 mm socket and an 18 mm wrench. Take the upper bolts out with a 13 mm. And we'll tighten that.
This concludes our rear shock installation on a 2003 Chevy Express 1500 two-wheel drive. Be sure to look out for our front shock installation video for this same vehicle.